Hey foodsters, welcome to Madam Foodster. Today we are going to prepare a very spicy drink which is called Fuljar Soda, or you may call it Fuljar Soda. We have taken a cup of coriander leaves, a little mint leaves. We have chopped ginger over here, a little cumin powder. In order to make our Fuljar Soda spicy, we have added 1 green chili. We have also added rock salt. Now to bring the sweetness in this drink, we will add 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Now we will blend all this into a fine paste. So foodsters, our green twist is ready. To make it tangy, we will add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Mix it well. So foodsters, we have taken a short glass. In this short glass, we will fill up this paste. We have our soda bottle ready. We will pour this soda into this jar. Ensure you fill up the jar completely with soda. Here is the time to dip this shot glass into the soda and see the volcanic effects. Now instantly you can drink this Fuljar Soda and enjoy it. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to share your feedback of Fuljar Soda.